Day. My name is Trisha Cruz and I'm an instructional coach with the Guam Department of Education. This is a quick tutorial for using Zoom. I will go over how to log into a Zoom meeting as well as some basic Zoom functions. Here's what a Zoom meeting invitation looks like. This is what teachers usually send to students through their email. Some teachers may post this on their Google Classroom. There are two ways you can join a meeting. One way is to simply look for the Zoom meeting link and click on it. Another way you can join a Zoom meeting is by using the Zoom app. You'll need to take note of the meeting ID and passcode. If you are on a laptop and click on the link, a new tab will open. A message will also appear at the top. When you see this, simply click Open Zoom.us. If this does not appear, you may click the Launch Meeting button found at the bottom of the page. If you're joining a Zoom meeting using the app, open the app. Here's what the home or main menu will look like. Click on the blue Join icon or plus sign. A message box will appear. This is where you type in the meeting ID as well as how you would like your name to appear in the meeting. Have your passcode ready and type it in if you are asked for it. Click Join. Another box might pop up. These usually show that the meeting hasn't started yet or the teacher will be starting soon. If you see messages like this, please wait for your teacher. Audio settings boxes will also come up. If you are joining from a laptop or a desktop, click Join with Computer Audio. Otherwise, if you're joining in using a mobile device, a tablet, or an iPad, select Wi-Fi. We'll be going over some basic functions. I will talk about these different commands down on the bottom. First, I would like to bring your attention to the View button. This is usually located at the top right-hand corner on a Zoom screen. When you click this, there are different options. Here's what it looks like for a gallery view. When you click on Gallery, you'll see the different participants, their videos, or their pictures. Here we are in a Zoom meeting. The first button located at the bottom is the microphone. Currently, I am not muted. If I need to mute myself so that no one can hear me speak or I can pay attention to the teacher, I simply click on the microphone. Beside it is the video camera. When I click on it, I will start my video. If I click on it again, you'll see just my profile picture or my name. Further down, we have participants. Clicking here, you'll be able to see the different people that are in the Zoom meeting. Click on the top, close this out. Beside participants is the chat button or it looks like a speech bubble. Click here. This is where you'll be able to type in. Usually, this is where teachers ask students to sign in for attendance purposes. You can type in different messages to your class or to your teacher here. When you're not using it, or if you'd like to, you can always click on the drop-down arrow and click Close. Another important button we'll take a look at is the Reactions button. If you need to virtually raise your hand so that your teacher sees you need to get their attention, click the Reactions button. Here's Raise Hand. When I click that, an icon on my picture or my video will show that I'm raising my hand, waiting for my turn. After I'm done, I click Reactions and click Lower Hand again. Now the icon disappears. You can also look around and see the different options that are here as well. Finally, at the far right, this is the button we click if we need to leave the meeting or if we need to end the meeting. This concludes our quick tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe. Practice the 3 W's. Bye-bye for now.